Welcome to my channel. Property Kaka Realty Services. Private Limited Sreenivasa Sonthalia Sky Villas, East Facing, 7,333 square feet. *** Headline. Title *** Luxurious. East Facing 7,333 square feet. Prime Flat. 3.75 lakh rupees plus maintenance. Premium finishes, expansive daylight, and unmatched appreciation potential. Key features: grand entrance and foyer leading to a bright, double-height living room. Prada balconies, view to capture morning sun and city views. * Generously sized bedrooms with attached bathrooms and built-in wardrobes. * Dedicated family lounge/media room and a formal dining area. * Servant/utility room and ample parking for multiple cars. * High-quality finishes, premium sanitary fittings, and provision for split AC/lift. Confirm specifics with owner. ** Facing. ** East, evening light, those called to tidal rent, those called to be confirmed with owner. ** Possession. ** Possession. ** Possession. Parking. Major to be confirmed with owner. ** Service. Told to action. The villas this size and orientation. Contact. ** Your name. Goldenrise Properties. Nitish. +91 630504 6661.